shape. But the blue-eyed girl isn't disappointed. The lollipop stick turns out to be very delicious. Miss Gonzalez has come back from Italy with a new pasta recipe. Now the girls will try it out. I wonder whether they will enjoy her cheese pasta. Pile a few slices of cheese and cut them into thin strips. Place the cheese strips on a plate as though it is pasta. Pour some sauce on top. Cut a few cooked pieces of pasta and sprinkle them on top as though it is grated Parmesan. Decorate the dish with parsley. The girls are hungry. Miss Gonzalez hurries up to give them this delicious pasta. Redhead gets an experimental version again. Tasty! Cheese lovers will certainly like this pasta. Try it yourself and share it with your friend. Miss Gonzalez knows how to make first-class burgers. But there is a problem. You can't hide them under a lid. You can't hide your cooking talent that easy. The girls are taking selfies while waiting for the next cooking masterpiece. What is it? A burger? If Redhead doesn't want a regular cheeseburger, she will get an inside-out burger. Cover a chicken patty with some ketchup. Put it on a lettuce leaf and add a slice of cheese. Put a bun inside the burger instead of the patty. Squeeze mustard on top. Put cheese, lettuce, and another patty on top. Fasten the cheeseburger using a bamboo stick with a flag. This burger has one great disadvantage. It is very uncomfortable to eat. It is way better to put a patty into a bun and not vice versa. Redhead has come up with a way that will help her deal with this burger. Divide and rule the patty. There's a traditional pizza, a turnover, and an upside-down pizza? Miss Gonzalez will teach us how to cook it. Grate cheese. There should be a lot of it. Cover a whole plate with it. Put it into a microwave to melt the cheese. Cover the cheese with a bowl of an appropriate size and cut off the excess. Put the cheese crust on a pizza board. Spread over it with some ketchup. And sprinkle it with chopped parsley. Cut slices of meat in half and put them around the edges as though these are crust borders. Use a cookie cutter to cut out mushrooms from bun halves. Cut out circles. Make triangular holes in the circles to imitate tomato slices. Put the fake mushrooms and tomatoes on top of the pizza. Miss Gonzalez is a great pizza maker, but an upside-down pizza is not as good as the regular one. There is way too much cheese. Redhead decides to commit a cooking crime. She swaps the slices, but the blue-eyed girl doesn't mind. This is what pizza is made for. You should share it. Miss Gonzalez has made hot dogs, but Redhead is fed up with testing the inside-out food. Miss Gonzalez will eat her inside-out hot dog on her own. Take the wrapper off bologna. Make a long, deep cut and cut out some of the bologna. Put in lettuce, pour some ketchup, and put in a breadstick. Squeeze some mustard on top. Why is the blue-eyed girl so lucky? She is definitely Miss Gonzalez's favorite. And I've gotten only a lettuce leaf. Miss Gonzalez doesn't understand why Redhead is refusing to eat the hot dog. Her motto is, the more meat, the better. Miss Gonzalez has a special dessert. It's upside-down ice cream. Redhead hopes that she'll get a regular ice cream, but she gets a spoon instead of a cone. Miss Gonzalez wants the girls to be fit. This is why they will eat the dessert together. Fill a pastry bag with ice cream. Tie it up with a rubber band and put it into a freezer. Cut the borders off wafer tarts and join them together, fastening with melted white chocolate. You get a wafer ball. Pour melted white and dark chocolate onto the balls and decorate them with sprinkles. When cool, put the balls with the chocolate side down. Cut off the base of the frozen cone flatly. and take off the pastry bag. Cover the balls with the remains of the ice cream and put the cone on top. This dessert is called Share with Your Friend because this is way too much for one person. Even both of us can't finish this ice cream. Did you like our Inside Out recipes? Then write in your comments which dishes you are going to cook in this way. Turn a pizza upside down, change your burger, or eat a Chupa Chups stick. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new tasty ideas on the Troom Troom channel.